Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to 2021. This is, I think, my first video of the new year, depending on when I load stuff. I don't know. Anyway, hey, we're here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe. I hope you stick around and watch, check out some playlists, etc. So thank you so much for clicking on. And let's just get into it. e.l.f. is, I guess, killing it again for 2021. Technically, these were released in 2020, but they continue to just launch new things and they do a good job. I liked what they came out with for most of this last year. So my last order, the last things that were new on the website that I got a hold of, I thought I would share with you. And a lot are eye products. I do have a couple lips. They've got this new Hydrating Core Lip Shine. So I bought 2 shades of that and I'll swatch those for you. Let's start with the lash serum. Actually, it's an enhancing lash and brow serum. I only have just started using this. I'm using a different lash serum on my lashes. So what I thought I would do is, and yes, I do have one mascara, one eye with mascara, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I just started using this only on this eyebrow. I always love doing that. I like to do, right now I'm using a serum just on this side of my face, and now I'm going to use this lash or brow serum on this side. Like, I like to see the difference, not just in the photos I take of before and after. So it's just your basic, serum. It has a little tiny brush. I should check the ingredients. I didn't really, to be honest with you. e.l.f. is cruelty-free, so I'm trusting it. It does not, well, it doesn't irritate my eyebrow. I'm so dumb. The new metallic shadow sticks. I think they're, well, let's just call them no budge shadow sticks. And they have had these, they've had these before. So this packaging looks like the packaging that they've had before in these. But everything is, this particular product is just all considered new. And then they have this shade in this packaging. So I'm kind of confused. This shade is called Rose Quartz. It's a little different. It's not quite what I thought it was going to be. I sort of like it. I sort of think it's a little bit of a dud. So here it is. It's, you just don't see these sort of pastel pink eye crayons very often. So I think that's what makes it unique and fun. And the shade is really nice in terms of, oh, look, you're just going to do like an inner corner highlight. Yeah. But, okay, so now it's layering better because I already put some of this on and I honestly feel like I couldn't see it. But the second layer is much better. So I just decided to do it like that on this eye, and I don't have any on this eye. So it's nice. And like I said, you want to layer it and build from that. The other 2 shades I got are Metallic Mocha and Bronze Metal. So Metallic Mocha, right? The way these swatch just on the back of my hand and how just creamy and soft they feel is very promising. I like the idea. Oh, and there is a sharpener. So here's the Rose Quartz, very pale. This is the Metallic Mocha, I guess. And then this is the Bronze Metal, and I love it. It's so pretty. So I mean, right now they're pretty intense. This one, I really do think that when they dry down, and clearly they need more time to dry down, that when they dry down, they are budge proof. So let's dig into another new launch, similar to something they've already had, are the liquid metallic eyeshadows. So they had liquid glitter shadows and they look almost the same, but these say liquid metallic, so okay. Now the shade I had in the glitter is called Dirty Martini, and I really like these. These are fun. I'm just so into liquid shadow and just anything kind of, I don't know, cream products are just exciting. But glitter products are problematic because even when they dry down, sometimes the glitter just wants to fall from where it is and gravity takes over. So it is budge proof, but, and also I recommend putting this on top of stuff. I wouldn't recommend putting this on and then going in with product or doing something to kind of blend it out with a brush, because the glitter then will shift down and it'll probably bother you. So let's compare the glitter liquid to this metallic liquid. Okay, so this one I took out of the package and it is shade, let us put on the readers, shall we? We are not ashamed to be old enough to need readers, right? Galaxy, ooh, look at Galaxy. Ooh, yeah. So I'm excited about metallic liquid shades because they're going to give you such a good payoff, but no glitter. Yeah, and I do like the metallic. If these were cream, just like liquid cream shadows, that would be weird. I mean, I know it exists, but for me, I don't care for it just because I feel like it adds to the crepiness. Okay, so Galaxy is that one. I remember putting these in my cart. So I got Big Dipper and Little Dipper. So Big Dipper is this copper shade. Ooh, that's fun. Ooh, that is a lot of fun. Now I do recommend you can put these on, with a brush layering. Just dipping an eyeshadow brush and layering. I mean, you can put them directly on too. The Kevin Aquan, one of the head artists, recommended doing that for longevity so that you get thin coats of liquid shadow. Okay, so then this is Little Dipper. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that is really pretty. So I wanted to put this on this eyelid because I have the rose quartz on the other eyelid, and I just thought it would be a fun, I mean, I know I'll have 2 different eyeshadow looks today. I don't care. I'm doing a lot of errands, but no one's gonna be looking. Actually, they might be. I wore my Style Vanna shadow the other day at the store, and when I was wearing my mask, she was like, oh my gosh, I love your eyeshadow. The glitter is so pretty. And it was just funny because, people are really paying attention to your eyeshadow. Okay, so when I tapped it out with my finger, I kind of thinned it out. So I'm tapping some more on, and I really like the way this looks. And also, these are so freaking affordable, you guys. I have to check. I think they're like $6 or $5. I've never had really great luck with e.l.f. mascaras, so I wanted to give this one a try. What I did for you is this eye has the CoverGirl Clean Lash Blast because I know I like it. It's drugstore. It's cruelty-free, so I figured I would do something reliable and kind of comparable on that side, and then on this side, I would do their new mascara. And now we can see how long these, look, check this out. Pretty good. They're not going anywhere. Even the glitter is doing a good job. Okay. All right, this is called Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara, and it is got a really nice brush. I dig it. Okay, here we go. I'm not scared, but I'm a little bit like, I'm trying to like build it slow. The brush is very pokey. I'm trying, I want to wiggle it at my lash base, but I can feel the bristles. It's a very thin formula. It's, you know, it's applying nicely to the lashes, but it's not very dramatic or thickening. You know, like, wow, 2021, really? Is this what you're doing to me? Just kidding. We are going to, so I just now demonstrated what happens when you get mascara, not on your lashes, but elsewhere, and I'll show you how to remove it so quickly and easily. Gonna let it dry. All right, okay, no talking, and I'm just gonna do this. Okay, yeah, I don't like this. Sorry. I mean, let's see what a few coats. I need more. It's just way too thin. It's giving me length, but only kind of like this gave me length, but this is only giving me length on some lashes. It's really weird. No, okay, yeah, no. I don't know if you can see this, but it is really doing that weird thing where it clings to certain lashes and creates just these long, random ones, and it is not good. So we're gonna give everything a second to dry. I'm gonna show you what I do. Then just take a cotton swab and flick off the product, just like that. You don't have to take any makeup remover. Sometimes you might wipe away a little bit of your foundation or concealer. Sometimes it might leave a little bit of a residue behind. I suggest just going in with some powder or like a makeup tool that might have some makeup residue on it, and just kind of doing that. And then you're not creating this entire project. Okay, so you guys, let's just go in with this Lash Blast quick. Let's take a look at these core balms. They're called core balms because they have this moisture core in the center. Can you see that? They're pretty sheer. They're very moisturizing. I don't know if I can tell. The center thing should probably come off. I don't know if it comes off as more dark or more sheer. I honestly can't tell the difference. And then this one is called Lovely. And oh, well, that's nice. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take that off before I get it everywhere. I'm going to take the pencil from the retro collection that came out this, what was that, summer or fall? I don't remember anything. I don't have names for these. They just say lip liner on them. I don't know what just happened. I had a massive sneezing fit. I had to turn the camera off. I had to fix my face. My nose, I just had to put like concealer on my nose and touch up my mascara. I don't know what's going on. So if I sound a little stuffy, that's why. I am not getting, that was dust. I'm gonna blame that on dust. Okay, putting on the Lovely Hydrating Core Lip Shine. It's not as like you would think it would just slide on your lips. That core, I don't know if that core is the pigment. Like I said, I can't. It's nice. I can't quite place the scent or flavor. It's sort of just, you know, it's lip balmy. It's like a very sheer, I'm guessing, trying to compete with Fenty, the Jouer. You know, there's a lot of just kind of lip balms. And this might be nice. I don't know if the color is super great for me right now with what other makeup I'm wearing and the lip liner, but oh well. So that'll do it for you. That'll do big. Remember that movie, Babe? All right, so mascara, no, sorry. Lash serum, the jury is still out. I do like the liquid metallics. I like the pencils, the crayons, so fun. All affordable, super great. I will link it below. Not sure where these are yet. So far, I've just seen them on their website. I think some things are on the Ulta website. Don't know what's in drugstores yet, Target, etc. So, you know, we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun. I hope I can give you guys some great stuff for 2021 and keep it fun. Help you where to spend your money or save your money for makeup, right? And there you go. So thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye.